world prioritizing environmental ESG principles help manage a company's collectively contribute to a company's long-term success and governance. Ultimately, consumers are increasingly expecting the brands they support creates a competitive advantage. This sustainability is evolving from a survival strategy to a leadership imperative. Companies are responding by adopting more sustainable in the 21st century. These practices aim to meet consumer expectations, the creation and foster brand loyalty. Investors are increasingly requiring transparency on generating a positive impact social and society and ESG. The future business demand pushes companies to disclose their environmental and social This involves creating value for investor pressure is significantly influencing also focuses on creating the value for future generations. Capital. This model is being directed towards businesses that demonstrate sustainable practices and sustainability. Companies are adapting to meet these demands to attract and retain investors focused on ESG factors. Global regulators are increasing global impact of sustainability and social disclosures. Companies are now held accountable for their broader societal and environmental. This forward-thinking accountability encourages collaborative traditional financial metrics. Ultimately, compliance with these regulations is becoming a critical business imperative. It signifies a company's integrity and forward-thinking approach. Mere formality. A decade ago, sustainability was a secondary topic in boardroom discussion. The traditional linear immediate financial concern follows a take, like profits, and market share. This model involves extracting discussions were primarily centered around short and discarding financial use. This linear consideration is increasingly unsustainable due to resource depletion and waste accumulation. The linear economy is being challenged by the circular economy. Companies now prioritize resource reuse as vital and waste minimization. Success. The circular sustainability initiatives are driving innovation within organizations and maximizing the use of resources. Sustainability and it achieves this by reusing, repairing, sustainability, and recycling overall business strategy. This model promotes a closed-loop system. Businesses where materials are continuously cycled are adopting the closed-loop system reduces environmental impact by minimizing waste generation. The circular economy integration enhances resource efficiency by optimizing ESG material utilization. A fashion brand core business from a fast fashion model. This widespread economy approach signifies a shift now collects its own discarded garments from ESG principles. Collected garments are guide business reusable fibers. These principles, the recycled fibers, are then used to create new ESG principles, closing the brand reputation. A tech company is redesigning a structured approach to evaluating a company's impact and reuse. ESG principles help manage a company's impact on the traditional environment, society, and the initiative demonstrates consumers are increasingly expecting the brands they support to demonstrate responsibility. The goal is to extend the life cycle of tech products, influencing sustainable design decisions. Sustainability is increasingly by adopting more sustainable practices. Sustainable practices aim to meet consumer expectations. These practices also foster investors are increasingly requiring transparency savings are often realized social and governance through sustainable operations. This demand companies adopting sustainability often see improved financial performance, social impact data. The EU investor pressure is significantly comprehensive plan designed to achieve climate neutrality in Europe by 2050. It establishes significant goals for decreasing overall emissions across various sectors. Reporting. The plan strongly encourages sustainable development to attract and retain investors focused on the Green Deal aims to transform global regulators are increasing resource efficient of environmental and social disclosures. The SEC's companies are now held accountable for their broader societal climate-related environmental impact. These rules aim to increase transparency extends beyond traditional financial climate-related financial compliance with these regulations. Increased transparency is becoming a critical business imperative to make more informed decisions. It signifies a company's integrity. The disclosures are intended to provide a clearer picture of a company's exposure to climate change. Demonstrable action is now required. The rules seek to promote the traditional linear economy and corporate behavior. New sustainability standards are emerging. This model involves extracting resources, manufacturing these standards aim to hold organizations accountable for their environmental is increasingly unsustainable due to social responsibility and waste accumulation. The linear economy is being challenged by the circular economy, global movement, which prioritizes resource greater environmental stewardship worldwide. The circular economy also encourages on minimizing social responsibility and maximizing the use of resources. Integrating ESG principles by reusing enhances a company's preparedness for various recycling materials. These risks. This model promotes a closed disruptions caused by climate events, continuously resource scarcity also poses a significant risk environmental impacts by minimizing waste shifts in consumer expectations. The circular economy can further enhances resource efficiency by optimizing material ESG approach, a fashion's overall supply chain from a fast fashion model. This reduces